So today we are going to be getting into this 5x5 glueless wig. It is from UNice. Y'all know UNice is a staple over here on this channel, okay? It is their thin BlendAway HD lace. So I'm excited to try it out. So go ahead and stick around and let's see how we got it installed. Alright girls, let's hop into this wig. As I said, UNice is a staple over here. I love their wigs. I don't ever really have any complaints. They always send over the goodies. So y'all see they sent me some nails, the wig band, wig cap, and then they sent over a bow. Like, they are with the times. They know the girls is wearing bows. So they listen and they, you know, they throw a little something in there for you. But I was just showing y'all that it was a water wave wig and the lace is undetectable. It is supposed to give very much skin, and as y'all can see from the looks of it, even on my hand, it looks so perfect. Like, we might not even really have to do much when it comes to this. That was the cap. The cap is very breathable, and as y'all can see, they gave like a new band on them. It's kind of more breathable as well. So what I like to do before I go ahead and put the wig on, I go ahead and customize it even more so I know like it's gonna be my skin color without a doubt. As y'all saw, it was real undetectable on my hand, but I just like to go the extra mile just to make sure we 10 steps ahead. So this is what the wig looks like on my head without me literally doing a thing to it. And as y'all can see, I could have just left it like that, but of course, like I said, I'm gonna take that extra step every single time. So I go in with the hot comb and my wax stick, and I just kind of mold it to what I want it to look like, give it that more natural look. And as y'all can see, still the wig straight on my head. They do have, some lace on there that you can or cannot cut off. I prefer to just go ahead and get any extra lace off, but that's just personal preference. If you wanted to keep it like that, of course you could have. And I was like, girl, let me see if I could do a side part with this. And I was like, okay, I think a side part would really eat. If I really just got like my baby hairs together and everything else, I think it would be so cute, especially with this water wave texture. I love a good like curly wig and a side part. Oh, it eats down. But this is me just showing y'all, like, I never went in and put no glue on it. Like, this is the wig out of the box. So I'm like, okay, let's wet it and see what the curls give after I style it a little bit by wetting it. And that was literally it, y'all. When I say I installed this wig so fast and it looks so good. Again, it's a 5x5 HD undetectable lace closure, 24 inches. I got 180 density. Y'all, this right here is the perfect wig, especially for my beginners. So make sure y'all go check out